Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 5 Series door panel. Start by disconnecting the battery, lowering the window, and removing visible screws on the armrest and handle. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry panels at the door edge to avoid paint chips. Keep clips and screws separated in labeled containers. Take photos as you go to remember wire locations and fastener types for an easier reassembly process. Work methodically from the top to the bottom of the door, removing covers and screws in order. Use a magnetized screwdriver for metal fasteners and a plastic pry tool to release clips without damage. When you encounter resistance, double-check for hidden screws behind covers or under trim. Keep a labeled tray or magnetic pad to store parts and take progress photos so reconnecting wiring and clips is straightforward when you reinstall the panel later. After loosening screws, pull the panel outward starting near the bottom edge to disengage clips evenly around the door. Support the panel as you move it to avoid straining connectors or tearing insulation. Disconnect each wiring harness by depressing the locking tab and pulling straight back. If clips break, replace them before reinstallation to prevent rattles. Label connectors or take a quick photo for reference so reconnecting is quick and accurate when you finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.